Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why banking feels stuck in the past? Long lines, confusing fees, and paperwork that seems to go on forever? But what if I told you a revolution is happening right now, right from the palm of your hand? Today, rediving deep into one of the biggest shakeups in modern finance, the epic clash between the old guard traditional banks and the disruptive newcomers neobanks. Are these app-based banks the future, or just a temporary trend? And what does this all mean for your money? Stick around, because we're about to unveil the future of banking. First, let's set the stage. What exactly are we talking about here? On one side, you have the giants, the traditional brick-and-mortar banks. These are the household names you've known for decades, maybe even centuries. They have physical branches on street corners, a long history of trust, and a massive range of services. From simple checking accounts to complex investment portfolios and business loans, they are the bedrock of our financial system. Their strength, stability, a wide array of services, and the comfort of face-to-face interaction. If you need to talk to someone about a mortgage or a complex financial issue, you can walk into a branch. Then, on the other side of the ring, we have the challengers, neobanks. These are digital-only banks, operating entirely online through slick mobile apps and websites. Think Chime, Revolut, or N26. They don't have physical branches, which means they save a ton on overhead costs. And guess what? They pass those savings on to you. This often translates to lower or even zero monthly fees, higher interest rates on savings, and a more transparent fee structure. Their whole game is built around user experience. Opening an account can take minutes, not days. Tracking your spending is often built in with cool, easy-to-understand visuals. Everything is designed to be fast, simple, and mobile-first. So, why are so many people, especially younger generations, flocking to neobanks? The appeal is crystal clear: convenience and cost. With a neobank, your bank is in your pocket 24/7. You can transfer money, pay bills, set savings goals, and even block your card with a single tap. There's no need to rush to a branch before it closes. The user interfaces are often incredibly intuitive and even fun to use, a stark contrast to the sometimes clunky and outdated websites of some traditional banks. They speak the language of the digital age. Plus, features like instant payment notifications, automated savings tools, and easy international transfers are often standard, not premium add-ons. It's banking that fits seamlessly into a modern, fast-paced lifestyle. But hold on, it's not all doom and gloom for the traditional players. Let's not forget what they bring to the table. Their biggest asset is trust and security, built over generations. They're heavily regulated and typically insured by government bodies like the FDIC in the US, meaning your deposits are protected up to a certain amount. This provides a huge sense of security that some people just aren't willing to trade. Furthermore, traditional banks offer a much broader suite of services. Need a mortgage, a car loan, wealth management advice, or a safety deposit box? Your traditional bank is a one-stop shop. Most neobanks are still focused on the basics: checking, savings, and payments. For complex financial needs, the expertise and personal touch of a traditional banker are still invaluable. So where does this leave us? Is it a simple case of new school versus old school? Not exactly. The reality is more nuanced. Many neobanks aren't actually banks in the traditional, chartered sense. They often partner with a larger, insured, traditional bank to hold customer deposits. So, behind that cool app, there's often an old guard institution ensuring your money is safe. You get the best of both worlds. A great user experience on the front end, with FDIC insurance on the back end. It's a symbiotic relationship. This partnership model is crucial because it allows neobanks to innovate rapidly, without having to navigate the incredibly complex and costly process of getting a full banking charter themselves. However, this battle has lit a fire under the traditional banks. They are not just sitting back and watching. They're fighting back. Many are now investing billions into upgrading their own digital offerings. They're launching their own revamped mobile apps, improving their online banking platforms, and trying to simplify their fee structures. Some are even launching their own digital-only sub-brands to compete directly with neobanks, combining the agility of a startup with the trust of an established institution. They've realized that customer experience is no longer a nice-to-have. It's a must-have to survive. This competition is fantastic news for us, the consumers, because it forces everyone to up their game. So, what's the verdict? Are neobanks the future, or are traditional banks here to stay? The answer is likely both. We're not heading towards a future where one completely replaces the other. Instead, we're moving towards a hybrid banking landscape. You might use a neobank for your daily spending and budgeting because of its fantastic app and low fees. But keep your mortgage and long-term savings with a traditional bank for its stability and broader services. The future of banking is about choice and personalization. It's about you being able to assemble the financial tools that work best for your specific needs, whether they come from a century-old institution or a brand-new app. The neon wave of neobanks hasn't just introduced new products. It has fundamentally changed our expectations of what a bank should be. It has forced the entire industry to become more customer-centric, more transparent, and more technologically advanced. It's less of a war and more of a powerful evolution. The traditional banks that adapt and embrace this new digital-first mindset will thrive. The neobanks that continue to innovate and build trust will grow. And we, the customers, will be the ultimate winners, with more options, better services, and more control over our financial lives than ever before. The banking revolution is here, and it's being powered by the device right in your pocket. What are your thoughts? Are you Team Neobank, Team Traditional, or do you use a mix of both? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video valuable and want to learn more about how technology is shaping our world, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.